Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5, a versatile all-rounder. Introducing the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5, a versatile 14-inch Full HD touchscreen laptop. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 is a 2-in-1 laptop that aims to strike a balance between portability, performance, and affordability. With its sleek design and flexible form factor, it's clear that Lenovo has targeted a wide range of users. But does it deliver on its promise? Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U, it delivers exceptional performance for all your tasks. With 8GB of RAM and a 512GB SSD, experience fast and efficient multitasking. The 14-inch WUXGA display offers stunning visuals with TV Rainland low blue light technology. The quality of the display can vary depending on the specific model you choose. Some configurations offer decent color accuracy and brightness, making it suitable for both work and entertainment. However, others may fall short in terms of contrast and viewing angles. The touchscreen is responsive and works well in both laptop and tablet modes. Integrated AMD Radeon graphics ensures smooth and vibrant graphics for all your needs. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth for seamless connectivity. The Flex 5 offers a good selection of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone jack. The inclusion of USB-C is a welcome addition, as it allows for fast data transfer and charging. While there's no Thunderbolt 4 support, it's not a deal breaker for most users. Protect your privacy with the camera privacy shutter and touch-style fingerprint reader. Enjoy the latest features with Windows 11 Home and an office trial. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 is a capable 2-in-1 laptop that offers a good balance of features and affordability. It's a solid choice for students, professionals, and casual users who need a versatile device for both work and play. While it may not excel in any particular area, it delivers a solid overall performance. Work from anywhere with 12 hours of battery life and Dolby Audio enhanced stereo speakers. Battery life is generally decent, allowing you to get through a full workday on a single charge. However, the actual runtime will depend on factors such as screen brightness, processor load, and the specific configuration. Rated 4.2 stars. Order today for £579.51.